What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Nick. Today we're going to be installing an AMS unit on a Bambu Lab P1. This is going to be under 5 minutes, so let's get right to it. The first thing that we need to do is remove any loaded filament and make sure that our machine is turned off. Now the AMS has a pretty straightforward installation, so let's quickly go over everything that is included. First up is our filament buffer. Then we have our buffer data cable as well as the AMS power cable. 2 hex screws to install the buffer to the back of the machine. Bambu Lab also included 2 filament cutters as well. Here's a shot of everything you need for our installation. I also forgot to show the PTFE tube connector, which is in this shot right here. There's also some desiccant dryer packs which were loaded into the AMS into their packaging. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is connect our PTFE tube connector to the stock tube in the back of the machine. Once it's connected, give it a small tug just to make sure that it's locked into place. Now let's connect the other side of the tube to the filament buffer module. Slide it through the hole to make sure it's locked into place as well. Giving it a short tug, you'll see that the spring retracts. Flip the filament buffer over and install it to the back of the machine using the 2 included screws. Make sure they're nice and snug. Now your AMS should already have a tube sticking out of the back of it. If not, then install that now. Then connect the other end of the tube to the left side of the filament buffer. Now we need to connect the data cable to the filament buffer. Connect the side with the right angle in the connection to the back of the printer. Then the other side of the cable to the bottom of the filament buffer. Next, we need to connect the filament buffer to the AMS. First, connect the 3-prong side to the filament buffer on the left, then connect the other 3-prong end to the AMS. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and remove the 4 empty spools from your AMS. Now it's time to remove the sealed desiccant packs from the housing in the AMS. First, remove the protective sticker, then the desiccant packs. Next, be sure to remove the plastic outer wrapping before installing them back into the AMS. This part is definitely a little tricky. I had a little trouble the first time. Next, plug your machine back in and turn it on. Load in your filament. If you have any trouble with this, just cut an angle at the end of your filament and it should insert pretty easily. Also, you need to make sure that you push the feeder towards the filament spool when inserting. The machine will automatically detect that the AMS is installed, and you should now see it in the Device tab in Bambu Studio. Alright, that's it for the installation. I hope that it was helpful for you. If you have any additional AMS tips that you would like to share, please leave them in the comments below. Again, my name is Nick. I hope you're having a great day, and as always, happy printing.